Hey guys, nice to see you. Today I'm gonna show something, the Korean way to eat chicken. I mean, you already know here's chicken is one of most famous dishes in here. Many of you already tried it before, but there is one way to enjoy it. You know, Korean people love rice a lot. When you eat fried chicken with the sauce mixed with the rice. When I heard that recipe for the first time, I thought, oh, it doesn't, it's a little bit, it's weird. How you eat that? And my friend said, just try. I felt just same as you, but just try. When I try that, it's great. There are many chicken brands in Korea, but most famous one mixed with rice is Zikoba. This one is the most famous one. I ordered that chicken and I'm waiting for that. Comes chicken, Jikoba. This chicken without bones and have a rice cake. When you eat this chicken, you have to make a space for mix this sauce with the rice, like this, and keep eating. Okay, now last piece. 이거 먹어. And rice is ready. Let me show how to do it. 아, 뜨거워. Can you see? This is like bibimbap.
Still, here has many people who doesn't like chicken with the rice, but I can say just try. Not imagine, just try. 계속하.
서울시 보건환경연구원이 시중 닭살판 14개 분량으로 하루 기준치 100g의 절반 가까이를 차지한다. 당분량이 57.1g까지 늘고 있어 부자를 마신다면 하루 닭 기준치를 훌쩍 넘기는 상황입니다.
Finished everything. Me and my brother, we were too hungry, so just finished it in 10 minutes or something. I can say this is a Korean way, but some of my friends doesn't like it. They just never try. Okay, thanks for watching and don't forget G, Kova and rice. Bye bye.